So what we know about where two graphs meet up is that it has a y value that's 2. And one equation that works for that is y equals negative 3x plus 5. We're supposed to figure out the other equation if it has a slope of 1. So the first thing we have to do, since we know the y value, is to insert it in the place of y, and then solve for x. So this actually is a way more straightforward solving than we've had to do recently with variables on both sides. Right now we only have a variable on one side, so we have to move the constant term to get the variable by itself. And we get negative 3 equals negative 3x. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. And then I'm going to get a value of x that's equal to 1. And since we know that the slope is 1, and we now know the ordered pair is 1, 2, we can figure out the y-intercept of that second line, because we'll say 2 is equal to 1 times 1, because one of the x's is this piece, and the other one is the slope, plus the vertical intercept. We haven't talked a lot about it being called b exactly, but I'm going to call it b because you often see it like that. So it's 2 equals 1 plus b. To figure out what b is, again, that's very straightforward. We just have to move that constant term, and we get 1 as a value for b. So the other equation, and when you go to type it in, you won't type the y equals part, but it's y equals, you could say 1x, but we don't do that because as mathematicians, we're not lazy, we're just efficient. X plus 1. You could put a 1 in front of that x if you need to as a reminder. It's not wrong, it just isn't necessary.